In today's video, I'm going to share with you a simple strategy that you can use to start generating passive income promoting Clickbank products. And I'm going to show you how to do this with Google Ads. And don't worry, I know a lot of people don't have money to run paid ads. I'm going to show you how to get free Google Ads credit that you can use to get started for absolutely free. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this CPA affiliate marketing course where you can get started and start earning passive income with CPA and affiliate marketing. So what you want to do first is to head over to clickbank.com if you don't have an account with them. And all you just need to do is to create an account by clicking on the start here button. So once you have your account created, you want to make sure to come over to the marketplace section. And this is where you are going to find varieties of digital products that you can promote and start earning commissions. So now for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go with the e-marketing niche as an example. But keep in mind, you can do this for any given niche. Before you select any product, you want to make sure to take a look at the gravity score because this metric tells you how many affiliates are currently earning money promoting this product. Okay, so you want to scroll down and I'm going to take this product here as an example, which has over 190 gravity score. And it says get paid to do simple writing jobs online. So basically this product right here is going to pay you $94 for every sale you bring to this product. And keep in mind, you are also going to be getting $35 every single month as long as these people remain on this product. And as you can see right here, other affiliates are generating money with this product, which means this product is making money. All right. So the next step is to basically go over to YouTube and you want to type in keywords like work from home jobs. Okay. So once you do that, then you want to come over to the filter section and you want to select this month. So the reason why you want to do this is because you want to select videos that are currently getting views on this keyword. The next thing you want to do now is you want to click on these videos. And as you can see right here, there is an ad on this video. Okay. So you want to look for videos like this on this search results. Okay, so now we'll be taking this one as the first example. So I'm going to click on this video again. So now once you do that, you want to basically copy the link to this YouTube video. All right, and you want to paste it somewhere here. All right, you want to get a notepad where you are going to paste the link to this video. Okay, so I'm going to go back and I'm going to select the second video. All right, as you can see, this second video also has an ad on it. All right, so now what you want to do from here is to also copy the link to this YouTube video. So now you want to repeat this same process for at least about 20 videos. As you can see right here, there are a lot of videos on this keyword. So this is going to take you about 10 to 20 minutes to do. So now as you can see right here, I've compiled a list of various videos for this method. So now the next step is to come over to Google and you want to type in Google Ads coupon. So once you type this on Google, you are going to see various websites that are going to show you how to get Google Ads for absolutely free. You can see this one is going to show you how to get 150 Google Ads coupon. This one is going to show you how to get 170 Google Ads coupon. And also you can come over to this page, which I'm going to be linking in the description, that's going to show you how to get 500 free Google Ads credit. So basically you can use any of this strategy to get Google Ads credit. So now you want to come over to ads.google.com, and once you come over here, you want to click on start now to create an account. So while you are creating your account, then you want to go back to Clickbank and you want to click on the affiliate page of any of the product you decide to go with. So once you come over to the affiliate page, you want to scroll to this section that says videos. Okay, so once you come over to this section, you are going to see videos that you can use to run ads on YouTube for absolutely free. All you just need to do is to click on this button right here to download the video. As you can see, this one is going to be a very good video to use for YouTube ads. So like I said, all you just need to do is to click on download this video. So while the video is saving to your device, you want to head over to Google Ads website, which is ads.google.com, and you want to click on start now to create an account. You want to click on create campaign without goal guidance. Okay, and you want to select this video. You want to basically click on continue. So once you do that, you want to give your campaign a name. So let's say work from home job. You want to leave this as it is, and you want to scroll down to your campaign budget. So basically this is where this website comes in, where you can get free Google Ads coupon. All right, so depending on how much coupon you get, if you get 150, 170, or if you get this $500 coupon credit, all you just need to do is to type in whatever coupon amount you get here. So let's say you get the $500. Okay, so basically from here now, you want to set in the start and end date. So if you want to run this ad for 5 days, that means you want to spend like $100 a day. So if you want to run this campaign for 2 weeks, all you just need to do is to select 2 weeks right here. But if you want to select specific amount of days you want this campaign to run, then you want to select the start date here. You want to select the start date and you want to come over here and select the end date. Okay, so since I want to run this campaign for 5 days, I want to basically just select the end date as 15th of March. Okay, so basically that means 5 days. All right, so once you're done, as you can see, okay, that means 6 days. All right, so basically this means I'll be spending about $80 every single day for about 6 days. And now for this section, you want to select the country you want to run ads to. You want to click on enter location. Okay, so usually people target tier 1 countries like United States, Canada. Okay, so you want to basically target these countries as well. And you can also target country like UK. So basically you want to type in the countries you want to target right here. But I don't recommend you target more than 3 countries at a time. Okay, so once you do that, now you want to scroll down for language and you want to type in English, okay, or the language, whatever that country speaks. All right, and here you want to select your ad group name. Okay, so now we are going to say something like work from home. All right, so basically once you do that, here you want to select the demographics, which means the people you want to target with this video ad. All right, so basically if you want to target male or female, you can select that right here. And sometimes the Clickbank product usually tell you where their demographic is from. Like this one right here, if you go to demographics, you can see the most converting countries right here: United States, Australia, Canada, UK. So basically they've already made things easier for you, and you can see females are the best for this campaign. The age range from 35 and above is the best for this product. So basically you want to go back and you want to adjust your campaign accordingly. All right, so now since it's female, you want to disable this, and now you want to leave it as 36, 35 and above. All right, so basically you want to mark this, and let's leave it at 35 to 54. Okay, so once you do that, for this keyword section, you don't need to type in keywords right here. The reason why you don't need to type in keywords is because we've already chosen the videos that we want to target on YouTube. So if you remember, I made a list of videos that we are going to be targeting on YouTube, which means there is no need for you to type in any keywords at all. So now the next step here is to basically select topic, but you don't really need to do this because we've already chosen the videos that we want to target specifically on YouTube. All right, but you can select any category right here if you want to, but believe me, it's not necessary. All right, so now for the placement, as you can see right here, you want to select YouTube channels. All right, so once you do that, this is where you are going to be pasting the channels that we are going to be targeting on YouTube. So now you want to basically copy all the link to these YouTube videos. You want to select this enter right here, and you want to basically paste in all the videos as you can see right here. All right, so basically once you do that, the next step is to basically scroll down, and this is where you are going to be pasting the link to the YouTube video. If you remember, we downloaded this video, so the next thing now is to basically upload this video to YouTube. So that means you have to create a YouTube channel and you want to click on upload. So now once you come over to the upload page, all you just need to do is to look for the video you just downloaded and you want to upload that video to YouTube. Once the video has completely uploaded, you want to go over to visibility. You want to click on publish to publish this video. So basically, as you can see, the video has completely uploaded. So now I'm going to click on this video to view it on YouTube. So once the video opens up, you want to copy the link to this YouTube video. All right, so once you do that, then you want to go back to your campaign and you want to paste in the link to this video right here. You want to make sure to select skippable in-stream ads. So once you do this, for the final URL, this is where you are going to be pasting your Clickbank affiliate link. All right, so all you just need to do is to go back to Clickbank. So once you come back to Clickbank, you want to click on this promote button and you want to click on generate uplink. So once you do that, all you need to do is to copy your Clickbank link to this product, and you want to come over here and you want to paste in the link right here. But I don't recommend doing this. I recommend you create a landing page instead if you can, But if you cannot, all you need to do is to at least shorten the link. So you want to come over to this website cut.ly to shorten your link. So once you shorten your link, all you just need to do is to copy your link. So once you copy your link, you want to paste in the link right here. So you want to basically paste in the same link right here. And for the call to action, you want to basically type in something like learn more or click here. As you can see, this is a preview of what your video ad is going to look like to visitors on YouTube. All right. And for the heading, all you just need to do is to type in something simple like get paid online. And also, if you notice, you have character limit of 15 letters. So now once you do that, you want to basically set in your click per view bid. And I recommend you set in something like 0.50 cents. So basically you are going to be spending 0.50 cents for everyone who watches your ad. And keep in mind, this product is going to pay you $94 for every single sale you bring to this product. So basically it's worth it to set reasonable cost per view bid. All right. So once you do that, you are going to see a couple of metrics right here. You are going to see the metric of this ad. Okay, so basically you can see right here, you can potentially reach almost 49,000 people on YouTube. And keep in mind, if just 1% of these people purchase this product, you've already made your budget. This is a targeted ad because if you go over to YouTube, we are targeting people who want to work from home. So basically, as it is a highly targeted traffic because these people watching these videos are already interested in working from home jobs. So basically that tells you that you have a very good chance of making sales. And that is why I say the bare minimum, if only 1% purchase this product, you'll be making a lot of money in your Clickbank account. And also keep in mind, you are going to be getting a recurring commission of $35 as long as they stay on this product. So basically once you do this, all you just need to do is to click on create campaign and you will start getting traffic right away. And I'm going to share with you a bonus strategy that you can use as well. You can basically create a landing page and you can basically collect email addresses. So once you collect these email addresses, you can basically send these people other related Clickbank offers for absolutely free without having to pay for ads. All right. So basically all you just need to come to a website called convertkit.com. And you are going to see a lot of landing pages that you can use to collect email addresses. And these email addresses are going to become assets to you because you already know these people are interested in making money. And all you just need to do is to keep sending them related products about making money online. So basically this brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value, please leave a like on the video. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.